What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me support, showing me love. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. Come through, check us out, man. Have fun, try out the recipes. Let's do it, man. Let's get it. So today, y'all, got another side dish to share with you. You can also make this a meal. You know what I'm saying? Today, I'm gonna do a Rasta pasta. You feel me? It's kind of basically like a jerk pasta that you eat with like shrimp, jerk chicken. I'm doing some jerk chicken today, so we're going to eat it with some Rasta pasta. Real easy, real simple recipe. Right here I got me some penne pasta, you know, the typical pasta used in Rasta pasta. I also got me some jerk seasoning. I got me a little bit of shrimp here. I got some red pepper and green bell pepper cut up right there, and I also got some chopped garlic, which is basically what we're gonna need to get this done. All right, so we're gonna jump right into it. Let's do it. First thing, you're gonna get a pot of water, follow the package directions, and cook your pasta. All right, so get your pasta started, and you want to only cook it to al dente. So you want to cook it like 2 minutes less than whatever the box says. All right. Next, after you get your pasta ready and all that, get your pan, get it hot, and drop some butter in there. Turn this down. We're gonna head it like at a medium. We don't want to burn the butter. Also, I'm gonna add a little bit of jerk seasoning. All right, just stir this all around. Alright, once we got that all incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and drop my shrimp in. I'll go ahead and stir it around as the shrimp get coated. And we'll cook that till the shrimp turn pink. After my shrimp is done, got that to the side. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of stock in here just to get the fines off the bottom of the pan. As you can see, just a little bit of stock to get all that goodness right up off the bottom of the pan. Alright, once you've got all the fines off the bottom, go ahead and get your peppers in. Alright, stir fry these up for about a minute. Next, you want to throw some onions in here. I got this little mix from another recipe that I did the other day. So it got a little bit of diced peppers up in there, but you want to have some chopped onion and add that. Alright, and you want to just incorporate that until the onion starts to get a little bit translucent. Probably about 30 seconds. Next, I want to drop in my garlic. Alright, get that incorporated in. Right, next I'm pouring my heavy cream, about a cup. Maybe about a cup and a half. I'm also going to add some coconut cream, okay, which is going to give me that extra Caribbean spin on it. You can get the coconut cream at the market, like I got mine. Comes in like a paste like that, like pure coconut. Chop it up, put it in a cup, mix it with some hot water like I did here. There, y'all. Coconut cream. Also want to go ahead and get that in now. There we go. Bring this up to start to get it to a simmer where it starts to thicken up. Oh yeah. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and season it. Okay. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of smoked onion powder. Use regular onion powder. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of smoked garlic powder. Half teaspoon of paprika, smoked paprika. And we'll do a pinch of cracked black pepper. Get that mixed in and incorporated. Oh yeah, and next I'm gonna add just a little bit more, maybe about a teaspoon of the jerk seasoning. And get that incorporated in. Alright, now that my pasta's just about 3 minutes away from being done at al dente, I'm gonna go ahead and drop in some Parmesan cheese. You're gonna kind of add like whatever cheese you want to this too, man. Go hard, man. Sometimes I do Gouda and the Parmesan. Alright, get the Parmesan cheese in there, starting to get nice and thick. Oh yeah, it's starting to get nice and thick. Get that incorporated in. And we'll be ready to drop our pasta right in here. Alright, got my pasta right here, ready to go. Al dente style. And I want to start to dump it on up in there. There we go. Oh yeah. And we're going to finish the pasta off right in our sauce. And there we have our Rasta pasta, y'all. Told you. Real easy, man. Real easy. Let's go ahead and stir this all in. Get it all incorporated. Alright, so it's going to sop up all that sauce. Ooh, coming together with the cheese. Starting to get a little thick. And there we go, my friends. The Rasta pasta is done. Noodles are incorporated, cooked through. Now you can add your shrimp. Go ahead and add the shrimp in here. I'm just add the shrimp on top. Put the juices of that shrimp in there. And there we go, man. So I'm talking about, y'all. Check me out. We're gonna eat this with our jerk chicken. We got our Rasta pasta, basically our jerk seasoned pasta. Oh yeah, man. Feel me? So I had to share this with y'all, man. So whenever you're doing your jerk chicken, or you could do this, man. You could do this with chicken, any kind of protein you want to add to it. You feel me? And make this a straight up meal. This right here by itself is a meal. But we're eating this with our jerk chicken off the grill. Bring y'all that recipe another time. So please subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos. Comment, man. Let me know what y'all think. Try it out. Let me know if y'all want me to make something. Now I gotta get to the grill, man, so we can get to our dinner. Holla.